me, Smitty, here at Phillips Chevrolet in Lansing, Illinois, the Midwest #1 Chevy dealer. I'm standing here with Linda, the proud new owner of a 2017 Equinox. Linda, can you tell people at home something about your experience today?
Today was very good. Everything has been excellent. Smitty is a wonderful salesperson. My husband and I came in Saturday to look, and we came out with a brand new car, which I just love. Everybody here has been very gracious and helpful. It's a nice place to present. Bring your family and friends.
You just heard it from another satisfied customer here at Phillips Chevrolet in Lansing, Illinois. So you be the next one come down to Phillips Chevrolet and join the Chevy family. And don't forget to ask for Smitty. Peace.